Hello,
Hello.
Abdul.
Yeah.
Sing.
Hello.
Very nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
And I'm so appreciate you come here from so far away. And after visiting our factory, what do you think of our factory?
It was very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, we're satisfied.
Impressive.
Thank you. Okay. Then we have enjoyed dinner together. And what do you think of me? Can you say something to me?
Yeah, you are very kind, and your project explanation is very fine, and we are very satisfied about your explanation. And we are ready to do with your project with you, your company.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we will absolutely cooperate, right?
Yeah.
Good. And assume that you will pay me the design fee after you're back to
Yeah.
India.
Yeah, I
On
will pay.
Monday, right?
Yeah, sure.
And you will pay me the deposit on what?
Very soon.
Very soon. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to cooperate with
Yeah,
me.
thank you so much. For
Yeah. Waiting for your deposit. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Very nice to meet you guys.
Nice to
And
meet you guys too.
yeah, as you say, you have many more projects, and I'm looking forward to cooperate with you
Sure.
for long term. And we absolutely will have good cooperations.
Sure.
So nice to meet you
Nice
guys.
to meet you guys.
We are expecting best price from your side too.
Thank you.
Best price.
Thank you. I will.
Yeah.